Good morning everyone. Welcome to my online class. Today I will discuss the exercise 3.3. Today we will discuss the question number 3 of exercise 3.3. Okay. So in the previous class I have discussed about the question number 1 and 2. I hope all of you have understood it. And in the question number 3, find all the prime factors of the following. All of you know about the prime factors. I am repeating again, what is prime factor? So prime factor is the factor which can be divided only by 1 and the number itself. Okay, so let's start the question number 3. To find the prime factor, we will discuss the factor tree method. Okay, so in the factor tree method, we have to write this 119 as like this, and then we have to divide this into two parts, and we have to find the number by which it can be divided. So it is divided by 7 into 17. 17 sevens are 119, and 7 and 7 both are prime numbers, so this cannot be divided any further. So for this number 119, the prime factors will be prime factors 7 and 17. Okay, understood? Next I will discuss the question number F. For 236 we have to divide this by 2, as there is 6 in the ones position, so this can be divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, then 16, 2 is 16. Again this can be divided by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. Okay, so 59. So 59 is the prime factor. So prime factors will be 2, 2 and 59. We have to write this one and this one. Okay, understood? So rest one is for your homework. Try to solve it and send me the hard copy. Next, come to the exercise 3.4. So question number 1, which of the following numbers are prime? So prime number means the numbers which cannot be divided by 1 and the number itself are called prime number. So one number 56. So as there are 6 in the ones position, so this can be divided by 2. So this is not a prime number. Okay, 37. 37 is not divided by any number, so these are prime number. 94, as there is 1 in the ones position, so this is divided by 2, so this is not a prime number. Okay, understood? Next question number D, E and F is for your homework. Try to solve it. Next question number 2, separate even and odd numbers of the following. Even means the numbers which have 0, 2, 4 and 6 and 8 in the ones position are called the even numbers. Okay, and odd number means the numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in ones position are called odd numbers. Okay, I am repeating again. So even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones position, and odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in ones position. Okay, so by using these two methods, we will separate the question number 2, the even and odd numbers. Okay, so let's start. In the question number 2a, the numbers are 5, 82, 294. Okay, so even, we have to find the even number first. Even means I am already told you the question 2 and 4 in ones position. Okay, so we have to find if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in ones position. So in these two numbers, the 2 here and here 4, so these are the even number. Okay, understood? Can you find? So we have to write like this: 82, 294. And in the odd number, I have discussed there is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 should be in ones position. So in 5 already the 5 is odd number, so this is odd. Okay, question number B, 3, 45, 260. So please remember this 2 points, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is even, this is odd. Okay, to find the even number, we have to find this in the ones position. 3, 5. These are the not even number. 0 is the even. So even will be the 260. And odd here 3 and 45. Okay, understood? So try to solve the rest one of question number 2. Next come to the question number 3. Find out whether the following pairs are twin prime or not. Twin prime. So what is twin prime? Twin prime means, here is the definition. Twin prime means the such pairs of co-prime numbers which do not any common factor other than 1. So common factor means we have to find the factors of each number, and then we have to find the common factor. If there is a common factor other than 1, so these are not the twin prime. But if the common factor is only 1, so this will be the twin prime. Okay, understood? So here in the example, find only 2 pairs of co-prime. So 7 and 10. We have to find the factors of 7 and 10. So if there is not any common numbers or common factors other than 1, so this will be the prime, twin prime. Okay, so in the question number 3a, let's start. Okay, question number A, 6 and 8. So we have to find the prime factors of 6. All of you know the prime factor of 6 are 2 into 3. Then prime factor of 8. We will divide this like 2 4s are 8, again 2 2s are 4. Then we have got the prime factors as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so we have to find here the common factors of 6 and 8. Here 2 is common in both the numbers, so this is not the twin prime. Okay, next come to the question number B, 11 and 13. So prime factors of 11 and prime factors of 13. So 11 is only divided by 1, so this is prime number, and 11 we have got 1 into 11. 13 similarly 1 into 13. So we have to find the common factors between them. So we have got 1 as the common factor, so this is the twin prime. This is not the twin prime. Okay, understood? So all of you solve the rest one of the question number 3. Okay, I hope all of you have understood clearly. So if there is any confusion, please contact me and do the homework and send me the hard copy. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.